Hello and welcome to Think Academy. My name is Dennis, and today we will start a math journey. I will show you a question and show you how teaching is like in Think Academy. So let's get started. Here's our question. Suppose Rick and Roy each stand at different ends of a straight road that is 21 meters long. They run toward each other. Rick's speed is 21 meters per second. Roy's speed is 22 meters per second. They will meet in how many seconds? So the first step we can do is to visualize their movement by drawing a straight line. Like this. So here's our straight road, and the two arrows show Rick and Roy's movement. Suppose we have Rick on the left and Roy on the right. Let's assume that we stop at t seconds, and at t seconds, Roy is here, and Rick is here. Can you tell me how much distance have they traveled? We know we stop at t seconds. And Roy's speed is 22 meters per second. So Roy has traveled 20 times t meters. And similarly, Rick has traveled 21 times t. Right? And eventually, they will meet somewhere on the road. Let's say they meet here. Now, can you tell me how much distance have they traveled? Roy has traveled 22t, and Rick has traveled 21t. But at this point, the sum of the distance they traveled equals to the total length of the road. And what is the total length of the road? It's 21 meters. So we have our equation, 21t plus 22t equals to 21. So we break down the question into a simple expression, and all we can do is to solve for t. Let's simplify the equation. 43t equals to 21, and t equals to 47 seconds. And that's our answer for the question. So we see that we can visualize the question and find the simple solution to the question. So that's all for the question today. I hope you enjoy my teaching. I look forward to seeing all of you in Think Academy. Thank you.